This is my live demonstration. My name is Eric Fan, um, and I'll be demonstrating the data loss in mobile devices. And I'll be using two VMs. One is a Kali Linux. The other one is this Android 8 x86. So first, I will make sure that here the Kali Linux is able to talk to the Samsung, which it is. I can just check the Samsung's IP address. It is 198.2.168.75.5, and it should be the same as this one. So these two VMs can be talking to each other without any issue. Now, I will first push the credential file. I'm having a credential file that I created previously to this live demo. Then I can just let you see. So here it has the user, it has the password. These are all fake information, and with the token as a canary token, this will serve as a secret that we're trying to retrieve from, which is the basically data loss. And I will push this into the SD card of Android x86. Now it is successfully being pushed, and I will create a payload of Android type meta reverse-tcp with the L listening host of this Kali Linux IP address. I can just remove it right now with the command hostname I, and it is this one. Now going back, we set the L port of 4444, that's basic, and the output file to dlplab.apk. Now it is an APK file because it's going to be running on a Samsung or an Android device. File was saved. And then we will take the SHA-256 hash value of this file just for forensic and the integrity purpose. I'll save it to a file. There we go. And then I will start the Metasploitable menu on the server. Then we'll create a listener. We'll set the payload to Android. Reverse TCP, same. It's going to be the same as the the malicious payload that we created before. Now these parameters are all true or correct. Then we'll go ahead and exploit. Now it has been created. On here, we will go ahead and disable the package verifier because we want to make sure that the built-in security system of Android x64 will not block our execution of the APK file, because that is the reason of this testing. And then I will go ahead and install the file. Now this was because I had another version of DLP lab.apk before on the Android, so I will just go ahead and then uninstall it. Which is successful, and then I'll install this file, which is also successful. Then I will go ahead and confirm the installation and the branch storage read of this file. Which is there, and then also the branch storage read. That's okay. And then I'll launch the app. Actually, I have to run another command. And then here we see that it successfully opened a session. And we can just now go ahead and take over the session. Or interact with this session. Then we can go ahead and execute our, or like perform our attack. I just cd to SD card and then documents. Now I'm able to download the credential files. And I'll cat the credential files. So as you can see, I can both print on the screen and extract the same file. So that's my live demonstration of data loss prevention of on mobile devices.